Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. OnePlus's flagships, the 8 and the more premium 8 Pro, came out back in April, but now it's time for a new device that's something more in the middle of the two, the OnePlus 8T. Let's have a look at what it has to offer in our hands-on video. The OnePlus 8T is made from Gorilla Glass and aluminum, and it's a gorgeous looking device. Ours is in the glossy aquamarine green finish. The phone seems a little bit more narrow than some other devices, and is quite comfortable in the hand. The display is a 6.55-inch AMOLED with a 1080p resolution and a small punch hole for the 16-megapixel selfie cam. The screen is flat, not curved, and has a super fast 120Hz refresh rate. This is a feature shared with the OnePlus 8 Pro, an even faster refresh rate than the 90Hz you'll find on other recent OnePlus phones. So moving elements on screen, like when you're swiping or scrolling, appear that much smoother. This display looks great with deep blacks, and OnePlus claims that it's highly capable as far as color accuracy goes. We'll put that to the test for our full review. The OnePlus 8T also pushes things to the next level with its Warp Charge technology. It comes with a huge 65-watt adapter in the box, which can also double as a laptop charger. It should be able to fully charge the 4500 mAh battery from zero in just 40 minutes. And don't worry about overheating, there are temperature controls and safeguards in place too. Another big change is that the 8T comes with Android 11 out of the box, which for now is pretty hard to find outside of the Pixel phones. It runs OnePlus's new Oxygen OS 11, which offers a very snappy and bloat-free experience. The new version brings plenty of improvements, many of them coming from Android 11 itself. One of OnePlus's tweaks is that its system-wide dark mode is easier on the eyes, and you can put it on a schedule. And another feature is that you get an actual always-on display. Plus, it features a bunch of customizations, including some artistic ones. The OnePlus 8T also brings a new quad camera setup. There's a 48-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle cam with a 123-degree field of view, a 5-megapixel macro cam, and a monochrome sensor. You don't get a telephoto like you do on the 8 Pro. The cameras still seem quite versatile though, and OnePlus says that their nightscape mode is improved, and we'll test that out after the sun goes down. Otherwise, the features you'll get on the OnePlus 8T are quite similar to what you'd find on the OnePlus 8. For example, you get OnePlus's signature hardware slider for control over notification alerts. For audio, you get a set of stereo speakers, with a bottom firing unit, and the earpiece acting as the second one. And rather expectedly, there's no 3.5mm jack here. Waking up and unlocking the phone is done with an under-display fingerprint reader. It's super fast and responsive to your touch. And the OnePlus 8T is equipped with a Snapdragon 865 chipset, just like you'd find on the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Performance should be excellent here, and heat management should be great too, thanks to a vapor cooling chamber. And like other recent OnePluses, the 128 or 256 gigs of onboard storage aren't expandable, but at least it's of the new UFS 3.1 variety, which helps provide faster and more stable performance. So there you have it guys. Compared to the OnePlus 8, the 8T brings super fast charging, a really high screen refresh rate, and the newest Android out of the box. It still misses out on some of the features of the Pro version though, like a telephoto camera. So what do you think of the OnePlus 8T? Let us know down below, and I'll see you soon with our full review.